Welcome to Miss Switaj's tutoring session on how to use solve in 4th grade. Here we have a story problem and we're going to apply solve. The S stands for study the problem. So the first step is to think about what the question is asking you to find. In order to do that, we need to read the problem. The Charlotte Airport is one of the busiest airports in the country. There are 950 flights out of Charlotte each day. On Friday, 149,994 passengers boarded flights from the airport. On Saturday, 218,032 passengers boarded flights from the airport. And on Sunday, 127,456 passengers boarded flights from the Charlotte Airport. How many passengers boarded flights on Friday and Saturday? So we know that passengers are boarding flights, and the question asks me how many passengers boarded flights on Friday and Saturday. So I'm going to underline that in my question. How many passengers boarded flights on Friday and Saturday? Now, two important words are Friday and Saturday, so I'm going to put a box around those. And in the problem, I'm going to search for Friday and Saturday. So here we have Friday. So I'm going to box the important information, which brings us to O, organize the facts. We know that on Friday, 149,994 passengers boarded flights. All that information is important. Also, on Saturday, 218,032 passengers boarded flights from the airport. Now, what am I going to do with this information? Well, that brings us to L. Let's line up our plan. Now, what operation are we going to use? Well, I know that I want to combine the number of passengers from Friday and Saturday, so that means we're going to add. So I'm going to line up my plan. 149,994 plus 218,032, which is on Saturday, equals, and since I want to find the number of passengers, I'm going to write a P for passengers. There's my plan. Now it brings us to V, which is verify the plan. That just means do the math. So I'm going to do the math. 149,994 plus, make sure I line up my place values. Now let's start with the ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 3 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1 in a basket so you don't forget it. 9 plus 1 is 10. We're going to put down our 0, carry our 1 in a basket. I know that 1 and 9 make 10, plus another 8 is 18. Don't forget your comma there. Carry the 1 in the basket. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus another is 6, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we need to ask ourselves, for E, evaluate the solution. Does our answer make sense? Well, my answer is 368,026 passengers. And is that answering my question? Does it make sense that there are that many passengers who boarded flights on Friday and Saturday? Well, yes, it does, because my number should be bigger since we're combining both Friday and Saturday passengers. I don't need to revise anything. It makes sense. I was accurate in my work. That is how you use solve in 4th grade Miss Switaj's class. Enjoy!